There are many niches on YouTube that earn people decent money, but not everybody can become successful with them. That's why it's important to find a niche that can help you create content long-term and keep earning that passive income. Before we get into the video, make sure to check out the link in the description for free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. Number 8. Identify your passions. You've heard many people say that you should follow your passions and leave fate to decide the rest. That is true, but only to a point. Many of us have many passions, but not all passions can help you make money, especially on YouTube. You can have a passion that is not very marketable, and creating videos about it may not be a good business idea. For example, you may have a passion for calligraphy and another one for fast cars. Identifying which passion helps you become successful on YouTube should be the passion you choose. If calligraphy does not have a wide audience, choose something else you're equally passionate about and go with it. You get to write content that gets a lot of action on the platform, which helps you earn money. It is important to note that doing something you're not passionate about can have adverse effects on your channel, which may retard its growth and your earnings. Posting content you're not passionate about can also cause boredom, which may cause you to give up on your channel. People may also pick up on your less enthusiastic videos because you're not doing them from the heart, which can cost you views and subscriptions. Identifying your passions helps you make a concrete decision on what is best for your YouTube channel, which allows you to have a specific niche you enjoy doing and can base your content on. Number 7. Choose a niche that gives you tons of views. As we mentioned before, you must do something you're passionate about. This helps you have the motivation you need to create authentic content that will be sought after by your audience. That said, you should choose a niche that has the potential to give you a lot of views. This is because creating content that no one is watching is bad for your channel and your investment. For example, creating a YouTube channel about unicorns may be a good way to get people to know about the mythical creatures, but few people would be interested because it doesn't have any touch of reality and may cause you to have no content to write about after a while. If you're passionate about horses, however, you can create content that can generate many views. This is because people can see what you're doing and you're helping solve someone's problems. Choosing a niche that gives you a lot of views helps your YouTube channel grow, and the more it grows, the more money you earn. While creating content you're passionate about, it is crucial to see what passion can help you advance and get you tons of views on YouTube. Before we continue, make sure to stay focused because the following tips are going to be a game changer for you. Number 6. Check for competition. While competition is healthy in that it gets you out of your comfort zone, too much of something is poisonous. If you have a particular niche in mind that you want to start creating content in, it is important to research and see how well it does on YouTube. A niche that is too competitive can take longer for you to penetrate the market than a low competition niche. For example, the gaming niche is very competitive, and while you can make a video that goes viral and puts you in the front line, it can take longer because many people have gaming channels. If you're posting content that someone else already has, you might find that your videos don't get many views. That is not to say that you should not venture into the gaming niche. The secret is to create content with a twist. Research the common topics that have many views and create content with a twist. For example, Minecraft has surpassed 1 trillion views on YouTube, with a video on a channel such as Techno Gamers crossing the 6 million view mark in less than 24 hours. This means that the game is very popular, which also means that you can create content that can blow up pretty quickly, but might take longer to get to the people if you do it like everyone else. Find topics that have high search volume keywords and lower competition. This makes your video among those that pop up when someone looks for that exact keyword, which helps you get ahead. Do your research before deciding on a niche to ensure that you have a lot of information about it to maximize your views. Number 5. Identify how you want to help people. For people to visit your channel and watch your videos, they must be getting something out of it. Whether it is a skill or laughter, people enjoy watching content that can help them solve a particular problem. Before you can choose your niche, ask yourself these questions. What is my end game with this? What problems can I solve for my audience? Are there workable solutions to the problems I want to solve for my audience? You have to know what you're getting your audience into, how to get them out of it, and what lessons they learn from watching your content. For example, if you have a finance channel, your goal is to help people save money, invest, and remain debt-free. Is your content solving those problems for your viewers? You can find out by asking people to comment in the section on how your content has improved their financial lives. You find that many people benefit from it, which is a goal accomplished. Whatever niche you choose to create your content in, You must leave an impression by answering questions that your viewers are looking for answers for. The more value you give your audience, the more views you get, which helps you grow your channel. Creating content that has no value to your audience is the fastest way to lose them. If you don't want that to happen, you must be able to solve their problems and have a niche that gets people to trust you, which helps you grow on YouTube. Number 4, define how profitable your niche is. You can't slave over something if you're not getting any returns from it, right? The same case applies to your niche of choice. Posting a bunch of videos that no one is interested in doesn't earn you anything. It only costs you precious time and effort, which can demotivate you and force you to give up. That is why defining the profitability of your niche is important. Are you looking to make money on the side to supplement your other incomes? Are you thinking more long-term, such as retirement or traveling the world? Asking yourself these questions validates your intentions for creating your niche of choice. Some niches do better than others, but what matters is how much success you're having with your videos. The more views you get, the more money you can earn from more than one partner program. If you're doing product reviews, for example, you can earn from the Google Ads and the affiliate marketing side of your content. This is because, in affiliate marketing, you have a link that leads back to the product site where you earn a commission every time someone buys a product with your referral code. Find a niche that is profitable enough to dedicate your time to. You don't feel like your effort is wasted because you're earning from it, and are motivated to keep creating because you can see the fruits of your efforts. Number 3, choosing a niche within a niche. What is a niche within a niche? This is separating a smaller segment of the niche from a large market that has the same common traits. Having a niche within a niche can allow you to tap into a more personal group of viewers that are interested in those topics while taking advantage of the wider market of your niche. For example, if you're into the fashion industry, you can have your fashion niche and also post specific content for specific audiences. Let's say you're reviewing a denim product that generalizes your audience. You can create a top 10 list with denim products designed for plus-size people. This video targets a specific audience within the niche, which can help your videos blow up. Choosing a niche within a niche helps you get a wider audience because you're catering to the general audience as well as the specific one. This means that, in the above example, a plus-size person that generally doesn't watch your videos would be interested in knowing the denim products designed for them and would click in your video. This would help you get a high click-through rate, which is picked up by YouTube's algorithm. YouTube would then share your video with a target audience and help your views skyrocket. Number 2, choose an evergreen niche. Evergreen content refers to content that never runs out of work. Some niches die down after all the hype is over because there are no more stories to tell about it. Being in this niche would force you to keep changing niches, which confuses the algorithm and forces it to not promote your content because they don't know which audience to share with. For example, the food niche is evergreen because people will never stop eating unless they stop breathing. There are many ways that you can have a food niche and still blow up on YouTube. You can be a pastry chef and teach people how to bake or whip up unique recipes that have people salivating. Whatever type of food you want to post about, your content will never die because you'll always have ideas and there will always be viewers watching your videos. Choosing evergreen content ensures that you never have to change your niche unless you want to. This gives you a loyal following and many viewers that love cooking as well as eating. You always have videos to post, which can help you make a lot of money on YouTube. Before we get into number 1, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. And make sure to hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Number 1, explore a niche you're great at. Following your passion is something that can get you a lucrative career in content creation. But your passion may not always be something you can do daily. If you're passionate about climbing Mount Kilimanjaro, great. Maybe one day you'll travel to Tanzania and make a phenomenal video climbing the highest mountain in Africa. But before you can do that, you have to make money. And if you want to create content, you can explore a niche you're great at. For example, if you're great at creating dance styles out of thin air and making them stand out, you can create a channel and dance your heart out. You can also teach other people how to make moves like yours and make crazy money from YouTube. Matt Stefanina is a dancer that has made a name for himself with exceptional dance moves. With 12.8 million subscribers, over 2 billion video views, and 1.4 million estimated annual earnings, you can see why he's doing great. If your passion is out of reach at the moment or can't help you grow on YouTube, explore a niche you're great at and you might just be surprised that it makes you a YouTube legend in no time. Make sure to check out the next video. You're going to get a ton of value from this one